Hi guys, Nessie here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make boiled corn. Okay, so this video will be available in my YouTube channel and of course in my Steam It channel. So what you need to do, guys, first of all, the first step you need to do is to take these corn pieces and add them to boiled water. Okay, now you can, before you add the corn to the pot, you have to wait until the water are boiled, and now you can take teaspoon and add 2 teaspoons with the sugar. Don't add salt, okay? Don't add salt. Only 2 spoons of sugar to the water, like this. And now, it's very simple, very easy. Everybody can do it. Just add the corn pieces in the pot. And now you need to wait 10 minutes. And that's it. You can take it off after 10 minutes. You can cover the pot if you want. It's not a must. Okay? So guys, I hope you like this video. It will be available on my in my Steam It channel. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. And enjoy your meal, of course. Enjoy your corn.